Okay, we're back on chapter 4, lesson 12. Now we're on to page 191. I'm going to do another problem with you guys. Problem number 1 from 191. So let's go ahead and take a look at this problem here. Okay, a firehouse pantry has 52 cans of vegetables. So 52 cans of vegetables and 74 cans of soup. Each shelf holds 9 cans. And then our question, what is the least number of shelves needed for all the cans? Question mark. Okay, so first draw a bar model for the total number of cans. Okay, we can do that. 52 would be our first bar. So there's going to be 52 in here. And then our second bar is going to be a little bit longer, and it's going to have 74. And for a total of, well, 5 tens plus 7 tens would be 12 tens. 2 plus 4 is 6, so that's 126. Okay, 126. Add to find the total number of cans. Well, we just did that. So all of this equals 126. Draw a bar model to show the number of shelves needed. So each shelf holds 9. Okay, so what we need if we're going to do a bar model for that is we're going to have bar model and each shelf is going to have 9. So essentially what we're doing here is counting by 9s. Okay, now we could continue on drawing this model and figuring out how many cans we need. But we're going to skip down to our finally divide. So we're going to take 126 and we are going to divide that by 9, the number of cans that can fit on one of these shelves. So can 9 go into 1? No, but 9 can go into 12. How many times does 9 go into 12? 1 time. 1 times 9 is 9. Subtract gives me 3. Bring down. 9 goes into 36 4 times. So you can see how important knowing your math facts is. Because once you know your math facts really well, how many times 9 goes into 36 just comes right to your forefront of your brain, because you have those math facts down pat. So if you don't have your math facts down pat, this problem becomes much more difficult. So it is important to practice your math facts every day. Okay, even if it's just for a little while, practice every day. Okay, so 4 times 9 now is 36. And we subtract and we get 0. So 14 shelves are needed to hold all of the cans with nothing remaining, no cans left over. Okay, so we could continue on and we would have to draw 14 shelves. Right, so let's see, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'd continue on until we showed 14 of them if we wanted to represent this using our model as well. Okay, all right, but again, it basically comes down to, it was 2 types of problems. You had to do 2 things to solve this math problem. One, you had to add the 52 plus the 74. Where's my mouse? There it is. The 52 plus the 74. Then you divided that total by the number of cans that fit on each shelf, 9, and that tells us how many shelves we need, 14. All right, thanks again for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Math time!